Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So listen, I got a mess. Don't judge me. I've been working. I know the battery box leaned over, whatever. It works. You know what I mean? Battery's up too high for me to sit on the ground. But so listen, this is what we got going on today. This is a 2007 LTR 450. It's a common issue with these starting up or and just idling. As soon as you hit the gas, it cut off. Sometimes it's the TPS sensor, which is this plug right here. For the people that don't know, it's very simple to get to, but most of the time it's where someone has put, these bikes are old, bro. This bike is 2007. Most of the time is where someone has put an aftermarket eBay fuel injector. Luckily, I have my 450 that I was able to swap parts from, and figure out what it was. But I hope this video helps somebody. This one, it cranks and runs now, thankfully. Before, all it would do is crank and idle. We checked the fuel pump. We deleted the swirl filter. None of that stuff worked. It was still just crank and idle.